Alright, what's up boys and girls? We are on our way to go meet with some people, do a little photo shoot, maybe do a little drive, and maybe make a video. Ugh, worst driveway ever. Here we go. Look at this light just taking its time. There it goes. Here we go. Probably shouldn't be going too fast through this area because, well, first of all, red light, but second of all, there's a sneaky spot where the cops like to hang out. I will show you that spot. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Boom! That's where they like to be. Acting like nobody knows. Pulling up. No, we're gonna hit red lights first. I don't even know what our plan is for today. Maybe we're gonna do just like some pictures. Maybe we're just gonna hang out. Maybe we'll do a video. I don't know. Just play it by ear. There he is. I'm meeting this guy, Bryson, for the first time. What's up, guys?
Super cool, man.
I'm Jeff.
I'm Bryson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you officially.
So I'm Jeff.
Kenny.
Nice to meet you.
That's super clean, man.
I got my camera rolling, just trying to get some
footage.
Scale of 1 to 10, how much do you like it?
11.
11?
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, it's tight. I mean, dude, it's so sick to drive. I daily drive it, too.
You daily it?
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Yeah.
So what's the first mod you're going to do to it?
Exhaust.
Exhaust?
Yeah. Actually, my first mod was this right here.
Sticker?
The sticker.
Saw
Plus
that.
5 horsepower.
I'm glad you went with the white. I
Yeah.
didn't like the green one.
You didn't like the green?
Uh-uh.
Well, the green is for when I wrap it. I think I'm going to wrap the car white.
White?
With green accents. Because I saw
Cool.
I saw like a Lambo and it was like all white and it had black rims and it had like green calipers and it just popped. It looked so sick.
That'll look cool.
Yeah.
Jeff, this is my girlfriend, Kim.
How's it going? I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So are we trading today?
Trading? I'll let you drive it.
Really?
Yeah.
I got full coverage. You know how to drive stick?
Of course.
You can drive mine if you want.
All right. I never drove one before.
You never driven a 5.0?
Nope.
Really?
Nope.
Oh. You're in for one, man. 5.0s are fun.
Yeah, we can trade for sure. You know, and what's funny too is I want to do a video for my channel, like, you know, someone's first time driving a GTR reaction video. So if you guys are cool with it, I'll put a camera in there and you guys can drive it. All of you can drive it. I don't care.
Is it manual or?
It's auto.
Auto?
Yeah.
Do they even have these in manual anymore or not?
I have no idea.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that exhaust is gonna make it pop.
Okay, so we'll go and then she'll hop in and then we'll bounce.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go to the grocery store. And we got these people right here.
Yeah, we should be good. But are we just gonna pull or?
Just, I don't know, just to like see.
Okay.
Just for whatever. All right, do you want to call it? Call it. Good. Yeah. Here, do it one more time. Do a good one.